When you get your microscope, you should notice there's a dust cover on it. You're going to want to remove that first. And once you remove it, this is just to keep any dust out of that could settle from the air onto any of the lenses. You should also notice that the stage, this is where the slide goes, that should be absolutely lowered to the very bottom. And you should also notice that the shortest objective lens, or the lowest power, is also the one that is in focus. It may or may not be plugged in, just depends on if you're the first one to use it or not. You're going to want to first go ahead and plug it in. And then once it's plugged in, you're going to want to use the light switch, which on ours is located right here, to turn it on. You'll notice that this is where the light shines up through. There's also what's called the diaphragm, where it opens and closes to allow different amounts of light to shine through. You're going to want to make sure that it's open as much as possible. It should be there from the previous person, but you never know. So once I've got this turned on, I'm going to make sure that before I start to look through that I got my slide. Once you've got your slide, you're just going to place it on the stage and try to make it as center as possible. You might not realize where it is at first. So I'm going to use my coarse adjustment knob, so that's the larger one. See if I can bring it into focus on the lowest possible lens. And then once I've got it in focus, you might need to move it around a little bit until you've got it, it's kind of blurry. And then you're gonna use the stage clips to allow it to be in place. So again, I've got it kind of focused. Might try the middle medium objective lens. So then I've got it in focus. And then once it's kind of blurry, that's when I'm gonna switch from the coarse adjustment knob to the fine adjustment knob. This is almost like making it crystal clear. So again, coarse adjustment knob first, then the fine adjustment knob. So I'm just very faintly looking at it. You might notice there's a line in the eyepiece. That's just to allow us to point to where something is, and it does swivel around. So once I've got it in place, I'm gonna do whatever it is I need to do, write it down, whatnot. Here's how you remove it. So I'm gonna make sure I turn it off. So I flip it off. I'm gonna lower using the coarse adjustment knob, lower the stage as best as you can. It should be lowered all the way. I'm gonna also make sure that my objective lens is going to be the lowest possible. You're going to wanna make sure it snaps each time, because otherwise you'll just be looking at black. I'm gonna remove the stage clips, return my slide wherever it needs to go, and put the dust cover back on. Don't forget to unplug as well.